This is section 3 of how to get 500,000 or more miles on your Sprinter van. I'm Sprinter Jack. I head up Sprinter for Mercedes Easton Van Center here in Columbus, Ohio. Some of the things that you can do to help make sure you get your van to 500,000 miles or more seem simple, self-explanatory, some not so much, but quickly I'm gonna go over the top ones. First is oil. Mercedes says you can change your oil at 20,000 mile intervals. But keep in mind, city driving is harder on oil and engine idle is also hard on oil. So if you're doing city driving or a lot of stop and start, you'll want to change your oil sooner. Changing the oil is a small expense that will save you a big expense down the road. And while we're talking about oil, if you see a small leak, if you see oil anywhere where it shouldn't be, fix it yourself or get it looked at. It can affect the electronics, it can affect the bushings. It's not good to have oil anywhere it shouldn't be in the vehicle. So that would be a huge tip. Anything on the floor that's oil, get it looked at. Next would be transmission fluid. If you're towing a lot, you're gonna need to change the transmission fluid more frequently. And don't forget the differential fluid. That's often overlooked, and that also has to be changed if you're towing a lot of weight much more frequently than Mercedes recommends. Next would be the coolant fluid. Check your coolant system. Make sure that there's no soft hoses. If they're soft, replace the hose. If you see any dried coolant anywhere, get that looked at. Something bad's going on and fixing it early will prevent problems later. Diesel fuel. When you fill it, don't find the cheapest diesel you can. Use good diesel and don't let it run all the way to empty. Keep maybe 100 miles in the tank. Doing this will keep any sediment that you've got in the gas tank and not push it into the motor where it will cause problems for you. Next is gonna be your charge system, which is basically every Sprinter diesel has a turbo. You need to make sure that that's running well. A little harder to actually do yourself, but take a look at it. Does it sound funny? If so, have it looked at. Feel the hoses. Make sure it looks and sounds like everything is running good. And again, if you see anything leaking, have that looked at. Brakes are a great idea. We need to stop, especially when you're carrying a lot of weight. Looking at the brakes, it's much more than just how much life is left on the brake. You've got to look at the caliper. If it's not wearing evenly, the caliper will tell you and you need to get that checked. Also, when you bring it into Mercedes, they'll do all these things, not tell you, but it's part of the A and B service. Along with that is gonna be the emergency brake. Make sure that that's lubed, that works. Also, that you don't see any brake fluid anywhere. Last but not least is gonna be battery health. If the battery isn't giving off enough charge, you'll get fault codes. Fault codes sometimes fix, or sometimes they can end up doing long-term damage to the motor. So one, make sure that the battery is charging properly and it's giving off the correct amount of charge. Lastly, just look at all the connectors, and if you see anything on there that shouldn't be, clean them. If you look at it again and it's there, you have a problem. Get it looked at. The last section we're going to talk about will be the ELW extended limited warranty. And if you're keeping your Sprinter for 500,000 miles, it's definitely a good place to start.